Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Content 101. Man, today we're getting into the streets. I'm taking you guys on a journey. We're shooting some content on the GoPro Hero 9 with the artists from Manhattan Beach, Grand View. This is a fun day. We got to rig the GoPro up to the Lime scooter. We used a magic arm with a clamp attachment to clamp onto the scooter handle, and the other end was screwed into the bottom of the GoPro Hero 9. The artist wanted to shoot everything vertically for social media. You know, that's the craze nowadays. So luckily the magic arm was able to turn and twist into every orientation we needed. And then from there, it was just about the artist riding around and getting the shots. I will advise you guys, whatever magic arm you choose, please be careful. And I think a magic arm is one of those things that if you have to splurge a little bit and spend a little bit more, do it. This is my advice. I know I talk about a lot of budget stuff on here, but my serious advice is that if you're gonna buy a magic arm, spend a little bit more on one that has a lot of great reviews. Look for the best one that you can afford, honestly. Kind of max out that budget on this piece of equipment, because as the artist rode around, the magic arm was slipping, the grip on it, but we had it tight. We had it super tight, and the GoPro hit the scooter because the magic arm slipped and it cracked the GoPro. So, I don't know if there's any kind of warranty on your products when that happens. I wish, but the GoPro still worked afterwards. It still worked perfectly fine, but it was damaged afterwards, so I would definitely say spend more on the magic arm and don't go for the cheap one that you think is good. Definitely spend a little bit more and find the one that people said was could win an arm wrestling competition, So this is B-Star once again, man. Thank you guys for tuning into Content 101. Always just trying to provide some value and give you guys advice to help you guys avoid the mistakes that I've made and help you get along your journey a little bit faster. Until next time, peace.